Hello, teacher. My name is Ingrid Suarez Perez. Activity number 2 for unit. Tape or no? After reading the article on how to tape or not, I think that it seems unfair that the tapes that are having to cover white all their heads. The owners of restaurants use them to pay the salary of the employees. Más logical thing is that they are to the payment they receive for their works. We could say that tips are achieved for their good service and attention to people. They are theirs to be valued and recognized for their work. It is a shame that restaurant manager will abuse them and not give them a fair salary. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.